So previously I have made a video on how you can use ChatGPT as the default search engine on Google. However, if I'm being honest, I think Google is way ahead when it comes to searching content on the internet. It is way faster, it is more accurate, and not to mention, we got the AI overview, which will summarize the answer from the internet. And in many ways, it is much better than ChatGPT. However, still, sometimes I want to use ChatGPT as a sort of search engine when I'm searching something via Google Chrome. So is there a way to actually use ChatGPT as a search engine on demand in Google Chrome? Well, apparently it is possible because Google actually incorporated Gemini that can behave in the same way. So if you open a new tab on Google Chrome and type @Gemini, and then you can select Gemini, and then you can send any query. That query will be sent to Gemini, not Google. So we are getting answer from Gemini. And apparently we can actually do the same thing for ChatGPT, but there is a setup that we need to prepare. So here's how you can make ChatGPT as a search engine on demand similar to Gemini in Google Chrome. So first, you can click this three-dot icon and then go to settings. And after that, go to search engine. Now, click manage search engines and site search. And let's scroll down a bit. Under site search, you want to click the add button. And here, I'm going to call this site engine ChatGPT. And the shortcut, I think this is very important. Usually, you can type the name of the search engine, like if Gemini was @Gemini, then you can write it like ChatGPT, or maybe just GPT if you want to make it shorter. But in this case, I just want to call it ChatGPT. So basically, you have to write this shortcut first on the address bar, so ChatGPT will be triggered. Now for the URL, you can insert this URL in this format. You can check the description if you want to get this format and make sure that it is accurate. Every single letter is accurate. Now when you're done, just click add, and there you go. So if you open a new tab, let's say I want to search NVIDIA latest news, it's still going to Google. But if I type @ChatGPT and then press the tab key on the keyboard, and I can write, let's say, NVIDIA latest news, now that query is being sent not to Google but to ChatGPT. So it is a great compromise if you want to actually still use Google for a lot of things, but sometimes you might want to use ChatGPT to get answer from the internet. And so that's how you can basically put ChatGPT in a similar fashion as Gemini in Google Chrome browser. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.